What's up, guys? So we have a problem. I came to the shop to get one new tire because, okay, I don't know how I'm gonna explain this without showing you guys, but later I'm gonna show you guys what I did to the, or what I hit that made the strut like mess up. So it kind of messed up the front right tire, like big time. Look, let me see if I can show you guys. You can't see it. But pretty much the inside of the tire is like shredded, like big time. So I have to replace that, and then after I replace that, I have to fix the strut, and then we're gonna go to some shop that my friend recommended that he's gonna do all my suspension. He's gonna get my alignment done, and then we're gonna do I'm gonna get ready to do the whole 5 swap. So yeah, the 6-speed, the Brembos, the knuckles, everything. So I'm just gonna get ready for that. But I need to do this first because I need to go get alignment done before I can even drive the car anymore. If not, the tire's gonna, it's gonna pop. So yeah, let me just take you guys through this. So they ended up checking them, and I'm just gonna get both of them replaced. This one is also getting bald on the inside. I need to get an alignment bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna replace both of them, and then I'm gonna get home and I'm gonna try to fix this fucking strut. Stand point over, because for sure that's a problem. Yep. Adapters and stock freaking WRX brakes. This is why I need a 6-speed swap. And Brembos, 500 horsepower, and I have stock brakes. Alright, check this out. This is how the tire looks. Yeah. Screwed. Look at that crap. That's gotta be my thumbnail. Hold on. That's why you should get an alignment. Look at that crap. No camber. So I'm going track. No more stance. Alright guys, just got the tires. Now it's time to go get a wash. See if I can get out of this driveway. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. But the car feels different right away. Like big time. First time doing a POV, feels awkward because you have this big old camera on your head, like with the band, so it feels super awkward. But this is how you guys do it. It's crazy. Hopefully you guys can hear like the turbo and stuff, and maybe my voice because the car's kind of loud. I'll try to do a pull so you guys can get a little bit of the turbo sounds. I'll probably do it right now. Second gear pull. I can't do third because I don't have a third. No third. I did a pull once and then I shifted to third too quick and I shredded the gears. It's still a 5-speed. So the trannies suck on this one. So that's next on the list, is to get a 6-speed 5x114 swap and do big brakes and all the goodies. Whoa, what is this? This is how you guys do it, huh? Well, recording. I look funny though. Everyone's looking at me hella weird right now. It's hilarious. second. Dudes, so I just did a pull. I did a first to second. Dude, no way. My car can go to like 8,500 and I don't even hit 7 because it's so freaking scary. Like, it's insane. And I don't want to break the tranny either, so, but like just going to like 68, 65, it's like plenty. It's like too much. Like I can't do it. Alright, I just made it back home. I'm gonna try to take you guys like do a walkthrough about what happened to the strut or the coilover and why my tires were like done. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably take a little break, get something to eat, and then I'm gonna come back and probably take the coilover off and then kind of just, not discuss, but like show you guys what happened. So it's crazy and it messed up everything, like my whole alignment, my tires. So I ended up getting 2 new tires. Need to do this, get the alignment done so I can get ready. I'm gonna be in a magazine next month, so that should be dope. And then, yeah, go from there. And after we're done with that, if I can fix it, if not, then I'm gonna have to go a different route. That's probably gonna be the vlog. So it was cool vlogging today. It's been a while. All right, I'll catch you guys when I get back from eating. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's open the hood. I might not even be able to get to it today. Let's see. 10 minutes. Alright, so you guys have all seen my day. So let's see if I can explain. You see this coil over here? It looks pretty straight. Alright. And I think, I don't even know what to call that. It's like a, I guess it's a ball joint? Maybe something like that. A freaking joint? I don't know what the hell to call it. But it's like centered. It's centered, and on this side, see how it's crooked? It's like leaning to the left a little bit, like if it got out of the socket it's supposed to be in. It's like hitting on the side over here. So what happened was, I went over this bump, like the things on the street, like one of the bumps, but it's like super huge. And I hit it on this tire going like 2 miles an hour or whatever, but that's all it took to make that happen. So I know it's off and I need to fix it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the tire off, get the coilover off, and then see how it looks. And if I can't fix it, then I'm screwed. Everyone knows how to take off their struts, so I'm not gonna do a how do you do this or whatever. It's literally just like 4 bolts from here to your ABS, your brake line, and then your 2 main bolts that are holding, and then the 3 nuts on the top. Alright, now those are loose. I'm just going to loosen the 3 up top, and they should come out. I need to get hood struts. It's going to fall on my head. Alright, the top nuts are off. Now it's literally just, it should just pop out. Like that. So. So there's a big issue here. Hold on. Look at this crap. Can you guys see that? It's freaking crooked. Like legit is like bent. It looks bent. I don't think I can fix this. Let me see. Can I get this on video? Like I'm gonna twist it. Look, it's like bent. Like the actual strut in the center, the tube bent. All right, it's over. Forget it. It's over. Shutting it down. It's over. I'm playing, but how can you see this? Like, can you see that it's bent? Oh yeah, I think right there. Right there. So this screwed me up. I thought I can buy myself a little bit more time, because I'm not going to buy a pair of coilovers just to have them replaced, because I'm going to do the 5x114 and the whole STI thing. So now I just got to push that. So I'm going to push to find some knuckles and everything I need for the swap and a 6-speed like ASAP. I was supposed to be in a magazine next month. So I don't know if that's going to happen, or I might just put this back on just for the magazine shoot. But yeah. Kind of bummed, because I'm not gonna drive the car like this. This is why my freaking tire got chewed up, because it was like that. Holy moly, dude! Like, look at that. Look at that. All right, I'm just gonna end the vlog there because I can't fix that. So I guess what I'm gonna do next is probably just go hunting for all the knuckles, and mostly the knuckles and like the axles and stuff, because there's 6-speeds everywhere. I want an 07 6-speed, but I guess I'll do whatever 6-speed. Doesn't really matter. I just want it to hold more power, so they're all gonna do the same thing. The 07 has a better gear ratio though. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm hella bummed.